How are you, students? I am fine. I am Aminul Islam Titu, English teacher of Kumla Modern High School in the morning shift. Do you stay at home in this moment or always? Yes, you should to stay at home always to solve the problem of coronavirus. So you always should to stay at home and you wash your hand more and more. Then you should to eat proper food or mainly proper food. Then you will be healthy. So I have come I have come to take a class of class 7 lesson unit 9 lesson 3 unit. Look at the board. Unit 9 unit 9 lesson 3 unit 9 lesson 3 the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect. It is an important lesson of this book. Page number 100. Page number 100. There has some keyword. Number 1, trap. Number 1, trap. Number 1, trap. Number 1, trap. Trap. T-R-A-P. Trap. Trap mean problem. Trap mean problem. Trap mean problem. Next, planet. Look at the boards. Yes, students, look at the board. Planet. P-L-A-N-E-T. Planet mean world. Planet mean world. W-O-R-L-D. Planet mean world. Next word, roof. Roof. R-W-F. Roof mean top. U-P, top. Roof mean top. Look at the placard, students. Roof mean top. Next word, greenhouse. Greenhouse mean glass house. S-O-U-S, glass house. Greenhouse mean glass. Look at the placard. Dear students, look at the placard. Greenhouse mean glass house. Greenhouse means glass house. Next word, release. R-E-L-E-A-S. Release mean free. So these words are keywords of the lesson. Look at the board, students. Look at the boards. I shall draw a picture. This is a sun. It is a house. Actually, this is a greenhouse. Greenhouse means it is this house is made of glass. This house is made of glass. When the sun rays enter the house, when the sun rays or temperature enter the house, the temperature cannot out from the glass, out from the house, out from the glass. So once the house become more hotter or more hot or hotter, then the house become hot. And in the cold countries, they cultivate crops or vegetables in the house, in the glass house, or in the house, or in the greenhouse. Mainly, actually, these houses as like the earth. When the sun rays enter into the earth, then the earth become hotter. Then the world temperature or earth temperature increase, and our ice of the Mount Everest melt. Ice of the Mount Everest melt, and then our river erosion increase. Our sea level of Bangladesh increase. And mainly 10% of Bangladesh will go underwater. Not only Bangladesh, Thailand, Bangkok, Kolkata, London, Japan, Maldives, Indonesia, this country will be go underwater by increase of sea level. So if you want to stop the increasing of sea level, we should to stop increasing of carbon dioxide gas, and we should stop the increasing of melting of Mount Everest. Then our sea level of the world will be not increase. So we should to stop carbon dioxide gas, increasing of carbon dioxide gas. So everybody look open the page number 101. Page number 101. A greenhouse is a house made of glass. It has a glass wall and a glass of roof. People grow vegetables and flowers and other plants in them. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during winter. During the daylight hours, a greenhouse gets warmer and warmer and stays pretty warm at night too. This is because the heat received from the sun is trapped inside the greenhouse by gas. Mainly when the sun rays enter the house, then the house become hot. This house is as like the earth. Then the earth become hot by the increasing of carbon dioxide gas. Second para. Dear students, look at the page 101. Second para. The earth is also like a greenhouse. During the day, earth's surface warms and up in the sunlight. At night, the surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by the gas like carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. These gases called greenhouse gas. Wall like the glass walls in the roof keep the earth warm. This is global warming, and it is making the earth dangerous planet. When the earth become hot as like the greenhouse, then our earth will be face different kinds of problem. Example, number one flood. FLWD flood. Number two, cyclone. CYCLONE, cyclone. Number three, cyclone. Drought. DROUGHT, drought. And river erosion. Number four, river erosion. Number four, river erosion. erosion, river erosion. River erosion. When our earth will be hot, then our earth will be face different kinds of problem: flood, cyclone, drought, river erosion. Third para. Unfortunately, we are making the earth too hot. We are using oil, gas and coal for running cars, buses, trains, planes, power stations and so on. These fuels have carbon dioxide in them. This carbon dioxide and other gases trap the heat in the atmosphere and do not allow the earth to cool down. As a result, the earth gets hotter. So if we want to save the earth, then we should stop air pollution. We should stop increasing of carbon dioxide gas. Then the earth will be saved from the natural calamities. And we should to plant more trees. Then the trees will accept the carbon dioxide gas from the earth, and trees will give us oxygen. The earth will be suitable for living the lives of animals, mainly people, man. So we should plant more trees. We should stop the using of fuels, coal, burning of coal, and we should not pollute the earth or world or our country. So we will not be face of flood, cyclone, drought or river erosion. Flood means one kind of flood means excess water when our river where the river there has available more water, or our field become water available, and our road become muddy, or our flood destroy our crops heavily by excess water. Cyclone means storm, which destroy our earth, which destroys our houses, crops, and break our trees and destroy our garden, house mainly. Drought, lack of water. But there is no water in the rainy season, then our field become dry and our river become dry. Then the people or farmers, they don't cultivation crops. Lack of water in the rainy season for the drought. River erosions, and this problem, some rivers there creates problem, and bank of the river brick by water and destroy our bank of the rivers. The Padma, Meghna, Brahmaputra, Surma are affected by river erosion. So if you want to save our country, we should plant more trees. Then we should plant more trees, and we should stop increasing of carbon dioxide gas. We should stop using of fuel and burning of coal. Then our world or the earth or our country will be not face of different kinds of natural calamities. So dear students, write your homework. Question B. Question B, number 1. What is greenhouse and how does it work? What is a greenhouse and how does it work? Question 2. How is the Earth atmosphere? How is the Earth, E-R-T-S, Earth atmosphere, P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere, similar, look at the students, similar to a greenhouse, to a greenhouse means made of, it is one kind of house which is made of glass, and whose walls are made of glass, whose roof is made of glass. This is greenhouse. Question 3. Recently temperature of the earth have been rising faster than normal, and why is it so? So there is three questions. Question C, fill in the blanks. There has some words in the box. Gases, carbon dioxide, which gas give up by people or animals. Fuels mean oil, different kinds of oil, example petrol, diesel, octane, etc. Machines, greenhouse, climate, heat and energy. Energy means it, power, different kind of power. Question D. Question D, there is fill in the blanks. So question B, C and D, these are your homework. When our school will open, then you will show your homework to your English teachers of class first paper. So next class I shall take on unit 9, lesson 4. This lesson's name is what happened next. That then there has some pictures or animal of page number 104. We'll discuss in the next class on the topic. This topic name is what happened next. There has passage A and page number 104. There is some pictures. Page number 104. There are some pictures. We will discuss them in the next class elaborately. So see you next class. You should to stay at your house regularly and always, and wash your hand more and more. Then you will be safe from the coronavirus COVID-19. Dhanyabad. Thank you. See you next class.